In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on a Facebook post. So go ahead into your Facebook. Most people will post from here, from where the What's on Your Mind section at the top. If you go to your profile, it's the same thing anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So what you can do is go ahead and go to What's on Your Mind. And let's say you want to, I don't know, just type something silly here. I like Harry Potter too much. So from here, what you can do is actually go to some of your options that are here at the bottom of your screen on top of your keypad, and you have options here for what you want to do to make this more of a customizable post. And you want to choose the blue little person here, and that's your tag feature. So go ahead and click your tag, and you can tag anyone that you really want. You go ahead and hit done. And then from here, before you post, this kind of gives you an update of what it looks like. I can also go in here and maybe just add a picture of something. So I can just go ahead and add a picture of this here, and I'll hit next. So now you have the post, the person you're tagging in, what you typed, a picture, and you can make this any post you want. And then you would go ahead and hit post, and that post will go public, and it will alert the person that you tagged so that they know that you posted something with their name in it and that you tagged them. So it's real easy to tag someone on Facebook on a post or anything like that, and that is how you would go about doing it. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope it made it look easy, because it really can be very simple and easy, and we'll see you in the next video.